Hello everyone, this is my first video of the year, so happy new year to everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create subject separation to help your subject to be the hero in the shot and separate it from the background. So I'm going to show you that in practice. So I am here in Camera Raw, but if you prefer to use Lightroom, feel free to use this software. I use Camera Raw because it integrates more with my workflow in Photoshop. So here what we want to do is to separate our subjects, so the people here and the bed sheets here, to make them feel like they are the hero in the shot and to help the eyes to stop on them. So what we want is to create a separation between this street here and our subject, so it looks like there is a kind of atmosphere in front of our subject. So let's do that. We are going to create a radial gradient, just like that. So if you don't see the red part, you can just click on Show Overlay. And now we are going to start making some adjustments. So I'm going to bump up the exposure a little bit, contrast a bit down, a bit of saturation down. And then we're gonna create a fog effect with this effect section here. So clarity down, so the sharpening is happening a bit less in this part of the image. Then texture, and what is going to create the fog effects is the dehaze slider. So you can see that it's happening. Perfect. So I might have overdid it with the saturation. Let me see. No, it's fine. So the idea is that when if a part of the street is in the fog, the colors are a bit less vibrant, so that's why I take the saturation down. So now that we have that, so you can see the before and after, we want to remove our subject, so the bed sheets here and our people here. So subtract, and I will take a brush and I can start brushing to remove the subject from our radial gradients. And then the people here. So you can see before and after, and you can see that it helps the eyes to stop on the subject first, and then the eyes go in the street, which really create a subject separation between the street that is a bit foggy and the subject. So now I'm going to perfect this selection a little bit. So I don't want any fog to be near the door here. Perfect. So it also helps to put in evidence the flowers here that are, I think, very beautiful. Okay, so you can see before and after. Before and after. So this is one way to create subject separation in Camera Raw or in Lightroom. If you are interested to learn how I went from this image to this image, I'll be launching a masterclass where we learn step by step every techniques I use to edit this image. If you are interested or just curious about it, click the link in the description to join the waitlist members and get an early access to the masterclass and an exclusive launch discount for the waitlist members only. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you learned a new technique today. If it's the case, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any next videos. See you in the next one.